Hello guys, today we're gonna react to EAS alarms this time because, yeah, for
no reason.
Yeah, for no reason. I actually don't know either. So, we're just gonna basically around the world. So, yeah, what are we gonna do? So, what are we gonna, compliment, okay, here we go.
We're not gonna watch the whole video.
Yeah.
Sorry if we don't get your country.
Yeah. We don't know what's happening. We gotta turn the... Oh. Whoa. Oh my god, that's loud. Oh, that's gonna damage my eardrums. What the... Well... This is hurting me. But I can't... We're gonna turn on the comments, and you get to comment what country you're from. If we can't turn on the... Well,
Then we'll do that country next.
Yeah. That's Argentina. God, that's loud. Is that Colombia?
Maybe we should put a
Loud horn. Well, we already put it on one. Remember the first video we did? Yeah, guys, if you read the title of our first video, we said that our videos are going to be loud, and this is what we exactly mean. I hate this. No. Whoa.
Why'd you do that?
Sorry, guys. How do you exit? Okay. Sorry, guys. We didn't mean to do that. I didn't know how to get it off, so here we go. Oh. Off it. Sorry, guys, we gotta do low storage again. So I'm gonna pause it. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Is that Bangladesh? Why do I keep... I don't know. I keep forgetting. I'm just gonna keep it up. I don't like this one.
No.
You're going to Brazil. What the heck is this noise? This sounds creepy. I'm just kidding. But whoa! This sounds dead. This doesn't even sound that scary. One.
He sounds like
I'm drawing the faces based on how scary it is. It's not that scary. People on watching this video would know this is South Africa. I think no, it's not. Cause there's it sounds like a child crying. So it sounds like a alarm. Hun. No, it's not scary. It kind of gives you a chilly vibe, but to me, no. Wow. It sounds like an explosion! He's exploding! It sounds sad. Oh. Copy! It's Copy to Canada! What the? The star has a face instead of the flag. But the flag does have a face. You must eat the nuggies. You must eat the nuggies. I was in Djibouti. He's tapping. He's tapping. Because it sounds like tapping. He's tapping. He's doing this. Dead! You're dead! You're dead if you hear that. Your eardrums are dead. Copy! Oh! 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 It's Egypt! He has a big mouth. Oh my! My eardrums. I don't like that.
Loud headphones.
I hate that. It went like this when these videos.
Interrumpimos la programación
Nah,
habitual
it ain't that
debido a una
scary.
emergencia nacional. Manténgase atento, ya que se darán instrucciones importantes.
We are gonna end it.
So, bye. Bye. We will come back to this after we publish our next video. Bye.
See you.